Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from thec'slife.com. And today's video, I want to talk about making realizations every day, or how to get realizations every day. And it goes back to my philosophy, which is taking action every single day, right? And I know it's like gets repetitive, but like I like to say, human beings need to hear the same idea 10,000 times, 10,000 different ways, right? And realizations in the terms of like your success, because nothing's ever created or destroyed. So all your success already exists. All creation already exists. It just awaits your arrival, right? And the more steps you take closer and getting closer to your goals, the more you gradually realize, what you are achieving. And we get blinded by the shiny toys, get distracted by the latest ads or the latest platform whatsoever, whatever. But it's actually just slowing down your thoughts and asking yourself every single day, who am I? How can I be of service to others today? And you come up with those answers to the questions yourself. And then that's when the realization occurs. Best practice is meditation. Like, this is something that I would like scream for the mountaintops forever. And meditation helped answer so much questions, because all your answers lies within, and then it is reflected back to you in your outside world, right? So you cannot find the answers outside of yourself. All of the answers are within. So with meditation, slowing down your mind and actually seeing the patterns of thought that you are constantly visualizing in your time by yourself, you're going to start to have those answers reveal themselves to you. The right words are going to come to play. The right people are going to be attracted to you. And you're going to start to hear those answers like, man, I need to communicate to this person. I need to reach out to this person. And you're going to have these hunches, these moment of inspiration, moment of clarity, and you want to act upon those thoughts immediately, all right? Because ideas are useless unless you write them down, take immediate action upon them, because my same philosophy, right? You want to empty out everything, right? So that you make room for more. And this is something that I constantly, day in and day out, have made these realizations. I'm like, man, I need to talk about this on camera. I need to get these thoughts out there. And every day is like a blank canvas. You have more to add, right? You first visualize your dream, and then you paint your dream throughout the day. And that's just like something, man, it's such a great discovery, because you have a blank slate. Like, today is your blank slate, right? Each moment is a blank slate and an opportunity to become more and do more, right? In that discovery, you'll learn more, and then you'll be able to teach more, right? Everything, like within us, our DNA, we strive for more achievement, more life, right? So by the sheer fact that you are releasing all of this, right, by law, you're just going to receive more, all right? So I thought that was a great thought that I could express out there, get that out there so I could make room for more of these thoughts, right? Anyway, if you found this video helpful, hit your boy in the comments. If you want to further this discussion, let's talk in the comments. Hit me up in the email. All my links are down below in the description. Also, I've been thinking about expanding this sort of a content formula where I have like these little bits of inspiration to drop in your timeline feed if you follow me, or in your email if you follow me. Looking forward to doing tons of podcasting, All right. So if you are a podcaster, or if you are interested in doing a podcast and you need help setting it up, or you would like to hop on my podcast for an interview, let me know. There's no prerequisite to getting an interview from me. Is just like, be passionate. You're on your journey taking action, and yeah, let's talk about it. Let's have like a strategy session out loud on how we can further get you your results, and vice versa. We can help serve the audience as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your guala. Peace.